Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the target schema and preparing your data file. This prevents structure mismatches. Once done, open SQL Workbench and connect using saved credentials, then choose the database you'll import into. Next, inspect the CSV. Confirm header row, delimiter, and UTF-8 encoding so columns align. Make sure column names match or plan a mapping. Finally, keep the SQL Workbench log visible so you can catch connection or permission errors early. You now run the import wizard and select your prepared file. Mapping is crucial because wrong types break inserts. During mapping, assign each file column to its table field and set type conversions or date formats as needed. Once mapped, preview a subset of rows to inspect parsing and transformations, and enable trimming or quote handling if necessary. Make sure to run a small test import into a staging table or transaction so you can validate results without affecting production data. You finish by verifying the import. Compare row counts and sample values against your source, and then commit if everything looks right. If you used a staging table, run dedupe and constraint checks before merging into production. Make sure to run validation queries for nulls, duplicates, and referential integrity. If something goes wrong, consult the SQL Workbench error log to identify parsing or type conversion failures. Adjust the column mapping or file formatting, and rerun only the failed row.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.